Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install settings from DNG file to your photo using Lightroom Mobile. For this tutorial I will use the DNG that I have made as an example. And now open Lightroom Mobile application. And then click this icon. Select the DNG file and click the Add button. And now go to All Photos and select the DNG file. Click this three dots icon. Then select Copy Settings. Now select the photo you would like to edit. And then click this icon again and paste settings. You can save the settings as preset also. Click this three dots icon. Create preset. Write the name of preset. And now we are done. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.